Welcome to the world of effortless travel planning with Triplink, where every journey begins with a simple tap. Let's dive into how you can craft your perfect trip. Creating a trip from scratch. First, join our community. Register and create your account on Triplink. Open the app and tap the Explore tab. Ready to start? Hit the plus button to add a new adventure. Type in your dream destination. As you search, we'll suggest the best matches. Is this your first visit, or are you revisiting? Let us know to personalize your experience. Give your trip a title, set the dates, and plan the duration. Choose who sees your trip, keep it private, or share with the Triplink community. Write a brief description and select themes that resonate with your travel vibe. Now, add spots you're excited to visit. Our app brings them to life on your map. Enhance each spot with photos and notes, creating a rich, detailed plan. Arrange your spots by dates, ensuring a smooth journey ahead. Use the parameter button to tweak and perfect your itinerary. Upload a cover photo and post the new trip. Your trip is ready. You can find it in the Profile tab or in the Explore newsfeed if you have chosen to share it with the community. Do you lack time or inspiration to create a trip from scratch? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's see how you can easily craft a journey with Triplink. Using the experiences of fellow travelers. Inspired by other travelers? Copy their trip, then make it uniquely yours. Edit the copied spots. Add new ones or remove what doesn't fit. Rearrange your schedule effortlessly, planning each day to perfection. Upload a cover photo and post a new trip. Keep refining your trip details anytime. Your perfect trip is just a few taps away. And there you have it. Whether crafting from scratch or building on others' experiences, Triplink makes planning your next adventure exciting and